today I'm going to be trying to do something to my hair. As y'all can see, my hair is not done, but I did just dye it in my last video. So if you haven't seen that, go check that out. So what I'm about to do is try to style it just because, like, what is this? So this is bed hair. It's dry, so we're about to moisturize it. But I literally just kind of like got out of bed, and this is how it's looking. So I have this. This is some argan oil from Cream of Nature. I have this. I used this last night, and I felt like it made my hair a little softer, so I'm gonna put a little bit of this in there too. This is just like some leave-in tea tree oil treatment. And I'm gonna use a little bit of oil, but I gotta go get that. But yeah, so all I'm gonna be doing is moisturizing my hair and just like detangling it so that it's easier for me to style it and manage it. So now what I'm doing is getting all the product together, and I'm just trying to hydrate my hair and get it all moisturized before I put it in a protective style, which is what we're doing today. I've been wearing wigs for a while now, like back to back to back. And I need to take a break because it's literally like ruining my edges. I don't know if y'all could tell, but like it's literally like has been taking my hair out, and I'm just like, yeah, we taking a break. Unless I'm getting like a paid sponsorship from a company, I'm not putting a wig back on my head for a while. I want to say 3 months, but I don't know if I'm gonna last 3 months because I really love wigs. But I'm gonna try my best to like really just take a break and moisturize it and take care of my hair as much as I can. So yeah, I'm just taking a break and so my edges can grow back. Really, that's like the main goal, is for like all the hair that got ripped out, which is like on my sides right here got ripped out, right there, and a little bit right here. So all the hair that got ripped out, I'm hoping that it will grow back, and I'm hoping that my hair will get a little bit healthier during this journey, this break, whatever you want to say. And already, just with a little bit of product, it looks so much better. The curls actually look like curls, like you can actually see pattern, definition. So what I'm gonna do is detangle my hair now so that it's easier for me to manage. And I have this brush. This probably isn't the best brush, so let me see if I can get another brush. So I'm gonna use this brush and see if this will help out, just getting it detangled. This is my hair all detangled and moisturized. It took forever, really, just because I was taking my sweet and precious time. I was watching Pretty Boy XO. That is like my favorite YouTuber right now. I don't miss a video. So what I've been doing is watching her, catching up and everything, and detangling my hair. So now what we're gonna do is take some rubber bands and a comb, and I'm gonna section my hair and like rubber band it off, just because it helps me like do my hair. I'm not a professional, I'm not a stylist, let me just say that before y'all be coming for me. So yeah, I use rubber bands just because it helps me like keep it parted, keep it sectioned off, keep it easy for me to do. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. This part is really tedious and it takes a long time just because, one, I can't see the back of my head, and two, it just takes a long time when you're doing your hair yourself. So I'm about to do that, and then once I do that, I'm gonna come back and we'll go from there. Okay, this is me looking crazy in my element, in my habitat. But yeah, so this is pretty much what it looks like, and basically all I did was section the hair off and use rubber bands, and I did these twists just to keep all the hair, like, to cut down the confusion basically, because it was just out and it was very confusing to know like what goes with what. So I just sectioned it, as y'all can see, like it's all parted and stuff, and then I just twisted it just so it could be out of the way. And I also left out some like baby hairs, even though I told y'all like my edges are like non-existent. But yeah, I left out some baby hairs and I like twisted it just so it could be out of the way. But I'm gonna try to do like edges at the very end. Now what I'm about to do is get the hair and actually start from the back to the front, starting to like do the twist. I don't know the proper like hairstylist name for it. Like I don't know if they're passion twists or whatever. I just call them twists. So we're gonna do that now actually.
Scammer shots on the beat. on the beat. Scammer shots 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 on the beat. Get my shots on the beat.